A near €6 billion plan to bring water over 170 kilometres across 3 counties to reach Dublin and bring the capital's water supply back from what has been described as its current knife edge will be lodged with An Coimisiún Pleanála next week. It will be one of the largest infrastructure projects in the history of the state, with Uisce Éireann hoping the project will commence construction in 2028 and be completed by 2032. Uisce Éireann has said the project will have the capacity to support the water supply needs of up to half of the state's population, addressing major existing challenges in the system. Water will be drawn from the Partine Basin near where the Ardnacusha Dam is located on the River Shannon. The water will then be treated near Birdhill in County Tipperary before being piped over 170 kilometres through counties Tipperary, Offaly and Kildare to a termination point reservoir at Peamount in Dublin. The budget estimate for the project is currently between €4.58 billion and €5.96 billion. Uisce Éireann's Infrastructure Director Maria O'Dwyer said Dublin's water supply is currently very much in a knife edge, with 85% of the capital's population dependent on one water source through the River Liffey. It is estimated that 34% more water will be needed by 2044 in the Greater Dublin area, with a growing supply deficit creating an unsustainable system unless infrastructural challenges are addressed. It aims to secure supply to counties Dublin, Meath, Kildare and Wicklow and provide infrastructure for future offtakes for areas in Tipperary, Offaly and Westmeath. Supplies currently serving Dublin will be redirected back to counties Louth, Meath, Kildare, Carlow and Wicklow, and it will also lay the groundwork for further housing delivery in the region. You can follow this story on the Irish Independent.